How to get free play points in Google Play Store. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. Google Play Points is a program that rewards users for engaging with Play ecosystem. Selected developers are invited to provide app-specific Play Points promotions which provide even greater rewards, increasing user retention and reinvestment of points within their app. If you want to get some free play points, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open the Play Store app on your device. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. If you have been enrolled in the Google Play Points, you should find the option of Play Points right below Manage Your Google Account. Tap on that option. Once you're here, you will receive 3 tabs: Earn, Use, and Perks. Now, the way to earn points here is to buy apps or games on Play Store using Google Play's billing system, subscribe to Google One from Android, make in-app or in-game purchase and subscriptions using Google Play's billing system, or you can also buy books with Google Play. Content that you can buy and earn points depends on the country you are in. Head over to the Earn section, and as you can see, it shows Special Earn Interest. Over here, you will earn 3 points per $1. So from here, you will have to spend $1 in order to earn points. In order to get free points, you want to scroll down and get to the section of Get Points for New Discovery. Then you're going to find options such as Earn 20 points when you install for a day. Tap on any of those options. Then you want to install those applications in your device for 1 day. Once you do that, you will receive 20 points for free. Now you can do that for other applications as well and earn free points in Google Play Store. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.